Alright, so hello guys, so today I got these Lego sets. I got this BB-8, this Dream set, and I got this Year of a Horse gift like thing for free. So yeah, I might sell that on eBay. As you guys can see, I may have mentioned this on these two sets might be all of these sets will be on my community post. So yeah. BB-8 is gonna be interesting to build because it's a sequel say. You can see a Kylo Ren, so it's also interesting. I like I like this build as well, so it's gonna be interesting to see. And as for this, I'm probably gonna set up on my dad. I was set on Amy probably because I don't know what to do with it. That's interesting. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a good rest of your year. So yeah, guys, bye for now.